Feeding the future. A new green revolution. The world's population is growing. Demand for food is increasing. Our current agricultural systems are struggling to keep up. We need a new green revolution, one that is sustainable and can feed the planet without destroying it. The original green revolution of the mid-20th century brought about dramatic increases in crop yields, but it also came with a cost. Intensive farming practices led to soil degradation, water pollution, and the loss of biodiversity. Today, we stand at the cusp of a new green revolution, one driven by cutting-edge technology and a deeper understanding of plant science. This revolution holds the promise of producing more food on less land, with fewer inputs, and with a lighter environmental footprint. From gene editing to vertical farming, from precision agriculture to the development of drought-tolerant crops, the future of food is being shaped by our growing knowledge of the plant world. Editing nature's code, CRISPR and the future of food. CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing technology that allows scientists to make precise changes to the DNA of organisms, including plants. This technology has the potential to transform agriculture in profound ways. With CRISPR, scientists can develop crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, tolerant to drought and salinity, and more nutritious. These advancements could dramatically increase yields and reduce the need for pesticides and herbicides. CRISPR could also be used to develop crops that are better suited to specific growing conditions, such as those found in urban environments or in regions facing climate change. This could help to increase food security in vulnerable areas. However, the use of CRISPR in agriculture is not without controversy. Some people worry about the potential for unintended consequences, such as the creation of new allergens or the disruption of ecosystems. Farming upwards, vertical farms, and sustainable cities. As the world's population becomes increasingly urbanized, traditional farming methods are being reimagined for the city. Vertical farms, which grow crops in stacked layers indoors, offer a promising solution to the challenges of urban agriculture. Vertical farms require far less land than traditional farms, making them ideal for densely populated areas. They can also be located closer to consumers, reducing transportation costs and emissions. Because vertical farms are typically climate-controlled environments, they can produce crops year-round, regardless of weather conditions. They also use significantly less water than traditional farms, as water can be recycled and reused. While vertical farming is still in its early stages of development, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we grow food in cities and beyond. Section 4. A changing climate, a resilient harvest. Plants in a warming world. Climate change is already having a significant impact on agriculture, with rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events affecting crop yields around the world. To ensure food security in the face of a changing climate, we need to develop crops that are more resilient to these challenges. Scientists are using traditional breeding techniques as well as genetic engineering to develop crops that can withstand drought, heat, and flooding. These crops could help to maintain food production in regions that are particularly vulnerable to climate change. In addition to developing new crop varieties, there are a number of other strategies that can be employed to mitigate the impacts of climate change on agriculture. These include conservation tillage, which reduces tillage to minimize soil disturbance, helping to conserve soil moisture and reduce erosion. Cover cropping, where planting cover crops between cash crops can improve soil health, suppress weeds, and reduce erosion. And crop rotation, which can help to break pest cycles, improve soil fertility, and reduce the risk of disease. Section 5. The rise of the robot farmer. Technology in the fields. Technology is rapidly transforming the way we farm, from the fields to the packing house. Precision agriculture, which uses sensors, GPS, and data analytics to optimize crop production, is just one example of how technology is being used to make farming more efficient and sustainable. Sensors can be used to monitor soil moisture, nutrient levels, and plant health in real time, allowing farmers to make more informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. This can help to reduce input costs and minimize environmental impact. Autonomous tractors and other robotic equipment are also becoming increasingly common on farms. These machines can perform tasks such as planting, spraying, and harvesting with greater precision and efficiency than human workers. While some worry that these technologies will lead to job losses in the agricultural sector, others believe that they will create new opportunities for skilled workers in areas such as data analysis, robotics, and software development.